Today, we are going to show you how to set the timecode in your Deity PR-2. First, on the PR-2, short press the record button and scroll down to the Timecode menu. Here, you can control the three major elements of your timecode: mode, group, and frames per second. Mode dictates how and when your timecode is activated. Here, you can see there are four modes. Free, which stands for free run. In this mode, the unit's timecode is always running. Auto, which stands for auto jam. In this mode, the unit can receive timecode from another source via the 3.5mm input or wirelessly from a compatible wireless Deity timecode box. Once, which means to jam once. In this mode, the unit is ready to receive timecode from another source, but will automatically lock itself off from receiving it again in the future till the PR-2 has been power cycled. Lastly, we have rec, which stands for rec run. Timecode will only be running when the unit is recording. Use of this mode is very uncommon. If you will be using the PR-2 with another brand's external timecode box or the Deity TC1, select Auto. Back in the timecode menu, you can select a group. Here, you can assign your gear to a group letter. Gear like the Deity timecode generators, Theos Wireless, or Deity PR series of recorders that are all on the same group will all sync up to the same wireless timecode signal generated by a Deity timecode box. If you are using another brand's timecode box, you'll need to plug it into the PR-2's mic input to start a sync. In the timecode menu, you can also select frame rate. If you are jamming the PR-2 from an external source, the PR-2 will automatically update the frame rate to match the source timecode. If you are using a mirrorless or action camera, there is a high probability that the camera is actually mislabeling its frame rate. Be sure to look at your footage's metadata to confirm the true FPS before your next production. Now that you know the timecode menu, let's talk about how to output it to other devices. It can be done in one of two ways, through the headphone output or out of the USB-C port. To use the headphone output, in the menu, scroll to Output, then select LTC 3 volts. A few devices only accept timecode through their USB-C, like DJI cameras and phones. To use the USB-C output, go to the menu and scroll all the way down to System, select USB, and then Timecode. You can use the PR-2 as a dedicated timecode box or simply jam another device before switching it back to being a pocket recorder. You now know how to set up timecode for your PR-2. Until next time, happy shooting.